Okay, so in today's lesson, we are going to be looking at ordering numbers written in decimal and non-decimal basis. Are we getting that? So we are going to be writing what? Numbers. Or we are going to be what? Ordering, comparing, arrange numbers written in what? Decimals and non-decimal what? Basis. Please, are we getting that? So when we say that, meaning the decimals and the non-decimals can be mixed together in other bases. Please, are we getting that? Different bases. And you'll be asked to arrange them. Are we getting that? So when we say in order or ordering, the ordering here means what? You can be asked what? Order them in ascending order or descending what? Order. When we say ascending, ascending means what? From the smallest to the biggest, or from the least to the highest. Please, are we getting that? And also, in descending order means what? From the biggest to the smallest, or from the highest to the least. Please, are we getting that? And also, I spoke about comparison or compare. So in comparison, what do? We use either the equal sign, the less than, or the greater than sign. So the numbers will be given to you like 2, 4, 3, and you'll be asked what? Compare these numbers. And that is what? You say 2 is less than 3, which is also less than what? 4. Or you can also say 4 is greater than, let's say 2. 4 is greater than 3, which is also greater than what? 2. Please, are we getting that? Okay, so 4 is greater than 3, and 3 is also greater than what? 2. Are we getting that? So by so doing this is what we call what? You are comparing. Are we getting that? So here we are going to be using what? The ordering most often. Are we getting that? Okay, so that is that. So to order, for you to be able to order, what do? So numbers other than base 10, which is what? Non-decimal, can only be compared or arranged by first converting them into what? Base 10 or decimal what? Numerals. Please, are we getting that? So the first thing we do is to convert them to what? Base 10. Then we base on the base 10 to do the comparison. Please, are we getting that? Like what I did here, they are in base 10, so I know the one which is what? Bigger. Or I know the one that is what? The biggest. And I know what? The least number. Are we getting that? But when they are in other bases, you cannot easily what? Identify or classify them or order them. Please, are we getting that? But before you can do that, unless you convert them to base 10 first before you can do that. Please, are we getting that? Okay, so let's use an example to explain. So example number 1 says, arrange the following numerals in ascending order of magnitude. And what are the numerals? The numerals are what are here. Are we getting that? So we have base 2, base 5, base 2, and also base 5. And we are to what? Arrange this in ascending order. So since they are in other bases, we don't know the one which is big, or we don't know the biggest, we don't know the least, or we don't know the smallest. Please, are we getting that? So the first thing we do is to change everything here to what? Base 10. Are we getting that? Then we use the base 10 in doing the comparison. Shall we start? Okay. So solution. First of all, we have to convert this one to base 10. And I know you know how to do it, right? So converting that one to base 10, we have 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 base 2. And that one is equal to, I have 1 times 2 plus another 1 times 2 plus I have the 0 times 2 plus the next one is another 0 times 2, then plus 1 times 2 plus the last one times 2. Then I start by giving them the zeros. 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then what? 5. So putting this on the calculator will give you something. That is what? 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32. So putting this on the calculator will get you 1 times 2 exponent 5 will get you 32. Then plus this one too will get you 16. Then plus this one will go to 0, plus another 0, plus this one will go to 1, then plus what? 1. Because 1 times, sorry, this one will go to another 0, then plus this one will go to 2, then plus 1. So putting everything together is getting us 32 plus this plus that is getting you, let's say 48, then 51. So this one is getting me 51. Putting this on the calculator will get you 51. Then we take the next one, which is what? 2, 4 base 5. And that one too. So this one too is equal to, I have the 2 times the 5, then plus the 4 times the 5. And I start by giving the zeros 1. So I have 0 and then 1. And this one too will give us 10 plus 4. And lastly, we get what? 14. For that one too. And the next one is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 base 2. And that one too is equal to 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus another 0 times 2 plus how many 0? 1, 2, 3, we are 4. 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus I have 1 times 2, then lastly plus 1 times 2. So this one too is giving me 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, then 6. So 1 times 2 exponent 6 will get me 64. Then plus this one is getting me 0, plus 0, plus 0, plus 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Then plus 2 plus what? 1. And this one too is getting me 67. Because 64 plus 3 is 67. And the last one, which is 3, 0, 1 base 5. That one too is equal to 3 times 5 plus 0 times 5 plus then 1 times the 5. So 0, 1, and 2. And this one too is getting us 25 times 3, that is 75. Then plus this one is 0, plus then 1. So this one too is getting me 76. So this implies that they are now in base 10, and I can arrange the numbers. So I have what? 14, then followed by, I have 51, 67, so 51, then 67, then lastly 76. So therefore, we have the 14 corresponds to 2, 4 base 5. Two, 4 base 5. And the 51 too corresponds to, that is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 base 2. And the 67 too, where is it? Corresponds to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 base 2. And lastly, the 76 too corresponds to 301 base 5. So to arrange this in ascending order, meaning from the smallest to the biggest, we get what? The 2, 4 being the smallest, then the 301 being what? The biggest. Please, are we getting that? So that is how to arrange or how to order. So the first thing we do is to convert all into what? Base 10. Then we use the base 10 in doing the comparison. Please, are we getting that? Okay, this is your major example, and I think we know how to do the conversion. We get that? So even if it is section A, this one we can use the calculator to convert, but this one we can't use the calculator. So the only thing we are going to do is to convert this and that. Then you put this and that on the calculator so that it can be faster. Are we getting that? Okay, so that is that. And we are having what? This. So example number 2. Example number 2. And that one says we have to and it says arrange 1, 2, 3 base 4, 4, 2 base 6, and 28 base 10 in descending order of magnitude. So solution. We are also to arrange this in descending order. So this is in base 4, this is in base 6, let's put it up, and this is in base 10. And we are to arrange this in what? Descending order. That is from the biggest to the smallest. Are we getting that? And how do we do? Alright, we can see that this one is already in base 10. Are we getting that? So we are only going to convert this one and this one to what? Base 10. Then we do the comparison. So what do I have? 1, 2, 3 base 4, which is equal to 1 times 4 plus 2 times 4, then plus the last one is 3 times 4. So starting I have 0, 1, and 2. Then this one will get me 16 plus 8 plus 3. And that one is it 24, 27? 27. Or this one will get me 24, then plus 3, 27. Then taking this one, that is 4, 2 base 6. That one is getting me 4 times 6 plus then 2 times 6, 0 and 1. So this one is getting me 24 plus 2. That is 26. And that of the 28 base 10 is also equal to 28. We can do that. Or we can just ignore that one. But some people, when they ignore that one, definitely when they are comparing, they will just check those that they've written, forgetting that there is something also in base what? Base 10. So you write that one too, so that you get to know you are comparing 1, 2, 3. Are we getting that? Okay. So this implies that in descending order, the biggest number is what? 28, then followed by 27, and lastly, the 14. Is it 14 or 26? 26. So that is, therefore, we have 28 corresponds to 28 base 10, then followed by the 27, which is corresponding to 1, 2, 3, base 4, and lastly 26, that is 4, 2, base 6. So that is that. Are we clear? Okay. So I'll subdivide this example too, And the remaining examples I'm going to give, I will not solve them. I'm going to provide the answers. So you work to get the answers. Please, are we getting that? So that is, the next example is example 3. Okay. So solution. I said I'm not going to solve this one with you. Are we getting that? I will not solve this one with you. So you have to arrange the following in ascending order of magnitude. So you take this one, you work, you get the answer. This one you work, you get the answer, and the last one. Are we getting that? But here I'm only going to put the answers. So you work to what? Verify if you are getting the same as what I'm going to put. Please, are we getting that? Pause the video, you solve, then you compare before you proceed. Are we okay? Okay. So answers. So let me put A. Answer. So if you solve the A, you would be getting 143 is 5, 2, 2, 2. Okay. So right after you are done, these are the answers you are going to get from this. Arranging them in ascending order. Right after you are done, you are going to get this for A, this for B, and this for C. Please do them. Don't say they are simple, so you will not do them. Please do them and compare. Are we getting that? On that note, this will be the end of the road for us. But please, since this is our last video on number basis, please and please again, I hope now you understand number basis, right? You understand. And whatever or anything concerning number basis, you can solve them, right? So as time goes on, as we are solving, we get to a point I'll be giving you what class tests, I'll be giving you quizzes and other things that you do. Please, are we getting that? Some people know there are so many examples in the book, but if you don't give some to them to solve, they will never solve. So as we proceed, I'll be forming what? Another set of what? Quizzes and give it to you. Please, are we getting that? So in this one, a short video containing what? A quiz will come for you to also open and what? Do them. Please, are we getting that? Before we move on to the next unit. Are we getting that? And if really my video or my YouTube channel is helping your mathematics, please and please again, do subscribe and also what? Share. Please share. Share to your friends. Share. Share. So that at long last, when the videos, when the number of views are increasing, I'll come and say it here. Please and please again, share to your friends and tell them to also what? Subscribe. And you tell them they should also what? Share to their friends. Because the friend you are having is a friend to another person too. So you tell them to also share it to their what? To their friends. And at long last, as I told you, if I get to see number of people what? Watching, or number of people that are interested in these videos, please and please again, I'm going to do more. On that note, thanks for watching. Bye bye.